Babes, me ever tell you why me leave me ex?
Yeah, you know, so you never tell me. Why you leave him?
Well, first me find out him a wife, and two picnic.
Oh, so that's why you leave him.
Well, no, 'cause he's a good guy. Him just crazy.
Crazy? Crazy how?
In love fight. In love fight off everybody.
Him love fight everybody?
Yeah, I saw him stay. When me say everybody, I mean everybody. Him coulda all one come fight you too.
What? One come fight me too? Tell him to try it. You don't know me, no. You don't know me. Me are the roughest, toughest, baddest Jamaican. Me mash up people for fun. By the way, who are your ex?
It's me, Goku!
Goku are your ex?
It's me, Goku!
Is Goku gonna get mashed up by the roughest, toughest Jamaican? Is there any more exes we need to worry about? Is this gal a real crosses? All this and more on the next episode of What Are We?
Peaches, open up. I know he's in here. You know we gotta fight. It's inevitable.
Right, Teed. Him wanna use big words.
Do not let him in.
What happened to you? You're afraid?
Me not afraid, you know. Right now, my stomach a hurt me. Me not feel good. It feel like me want do.
Afraid, you're afraid.
You guys are taking too long. I'm just gonna use instant transmission.
Bombard!
Okay, I'm in. You ready to do this?
Yo, why for that talk there? Anyway, we fight. Me want you your fullest power.
Full power, huh? Okay, you asked for it.
Why again? Just hurry up and know you're the man. Shut up. You make too much blasted noise.
It's me, Quagmire. I'm in town, baby. I wonder if we could giggity, 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 giggity.
Wow, Peaches, I forgot how great we were together.
You know what them say? Old brown is a fine corner. Anyway, you mash me up bad. You have no more sense on being come on go on next round.
Oh no, that's your man. I better get out of here before he shoots me again.
You have the boy Goku in here, don't?
Babes, what you talk about?
It's alright. Me soon fix him business.
I am Shenron. I shall grant you any wish. Now speak.
Me want take away Goku baby mother.
Wait, what? Pardon me. I don't think I'm hearing right. What did you say a while ago?
Hear what me say? Me want take away him baby mother, make she love me.
Come on, man. This is Goku we talking about. You know, Goku.
Me know say I Goku, don't worry about that. Just grant me wish.
Okay. Nothing more.
Wait, me say Goku baby mother. And a Chi-Chi this.
You said Goku baby mother, but you never said which universe. Your wish has been granted.
Sure. Wait, you're like a god, right? I guess a win is a win. I guess a win is a win.